tapos na yung ceremony, kaya ito puro pictorial na, masaya naman, maganda, very organized naman. Siyempre sa amin is very, siyempre may kulang, wala yung anak, so you know, we cannot do anything about that. Hello guys, continuation na naman ito nung after the pictorial. So anyway, dito na tayo ngayon sa venue nila. That's my baby, yung picture na yon. And anyway, this is my niece. Yan yung ate ng anak ko. Yan mga yan. Yan yung mga cousins ng baby ko. They're all there. They're so happy and they're enjoying their, you know, the party. Kaya, you know, very sad yan sa amin, but it's okay. This is my sister-in-law with the guests. Ito yung mga, kahit pa paano, kinukuhanan ko yung mga guests nila para yung hubby ko, ayan, wala siyang kasama sa table niya kasi ako ay busy. Kaya I'm so sorry. Ganyan talaga yung buhay ko. Pagka nasa party ako, I keep moving. Kaya wala akong kwenta sa mga kasama kasi iiwanan ko sila kasi yun talaga yung trabaho ko eh. I have to since it's not my party, so I'm trying to be busy para, you know, diverted tayo. Anyway, andito yung mga kamag-anak yan ng, you know, my husband family, kaya okay naman, masaya naman. Anyway, ito yung DJ. May DJ din sila. At kanina, dun sa ceremony, meron din naman silang mga music. So, anyway, ito yung mga, I don't know kung kamag-anak or friend, but ito yung mga bata na maybe kaibigan nila. Anyway, ito yung table ng Mr. and Mrs. So, dito tayo, oh, look at this, oh. Mainit kasi. Kawawa naman tong bata. Tuloy nakapayong sila. Buti na lang may payong itong, provided naman nila yung mga payong. Anyway, like I said, pero pag under the, you know, under the sun is napakainit. Pero pag open na, hindi naman. I mean, pag may cover, hindi naman siya kainitan. Maganda. Anyway, ito yung mga bata. Tinan mo si Danica. Oh, she's very cute. And Megan.
So how about a give applause? Ready for the intro? Can we ask everyone to stand, please? The world has to know. Re-announcing for the first time as husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, how about give them a big warm applause to Mr. and Mrs. Christian and Christina Mokhtar! Thank you very much, folks.
Wealth and the burdens with each other, but most importantly, love and fear God. In addition, don't forget to love each other, take care of each other, stick with each other through thick and thin, and grow old together, because there's nothing quite like it. That being said, I congratulate you. I love you both, and take care of everything. Be there for each other. It's all about family from here on, so congratulations. Love you both.
I have a friend of the beautiful, beautiful party today. It's you, Christian, and I'm so happy that you have found one another again.
I've known Christian for a very long time, and I can honestly say that he is the most capable person I've ever met, hands down. And I'm honored to be his best man, and I'm proud to call him my best friend. I've known Christina for a lot shorter time, well, in any case. As someone who knows Christian as well as I do, I know exactly how hard it is to deal with him sometimes. And I've never seen Christina bat an eye when she has to push back on his childish.
Okay, cutting the cake. Ito na yung nasa loob kasi sila ng venue kasi we wanted to go there, but the thing is syempre hindi naman masyadong kalakihan ng space. Anyway, this is my baby, my little girl, my little angel. Kasama siya sa party ni mama, right, bibi ko? Okay, yun lang yung nakuha pala sa sa may cake kasi yung salamin nila masyadong may reflection. So sa loob kasi medyo crowded. So we decided not to not to go inside. Plus andun yung mga cameraman, talagang sila yung mga cameraman, tsaka yung mga whatever. So anyway, ito yung ang ganda talaga ng outside niya. Tingnan nyo, ang nature talaga is I don't know, na-appreciate ko right now.
Come on, make it now.
Okay.
All right, everyone take your seats while they do the...
Anyway, ito na yung first dance ng bride sa father niya, and then medyo malayo ako pala sa sa scene kasi napakainit doon sa tapat nila, kaya I cannot stand under the sun. So anyway, anyway, that's the first dance pala ng father, and then ito yung silang brides at saka groom. So maganda, kaya lang hindi natin pwedeng ilagay yung original na sound because magka-copyright tayo. So anyway, that's the father. Yung una yung groom, and then this is the father. Ito yung mga moment na it's not easy to handle it because dito namin ma-remember, na lahat ng mga parent ay dream nila ang ganitong mga events. So it's like anyway, ayan na, tinawag na yung sister-in-law ko. Siya naman ang makikipag-dance sa kanyang anak, sa groom. Talagang ayan, ito medyo maganda na yung spot ko. Sana lumipat ako dito before hindi ko napansin itong place. So anyway, kaya lang kasi medyo nakaharang ako sa mga sa mga nanonood. So anyway, it's a very very overwhelming part ng usually sa wedding, yung magandang situation kasi very emotional talaga yung mga ganitong bagay, especially my sister-in-law. My sister-in-law is like kind of like me, like like typical mom na, especially sa culture namin, we are very attached to our kid. So it's really hard for them to let go. Kaya minsan we're here. Ito yung mga part na it's really hard to accept the fact na wala na anak ko. Promise me that you'll get better. Medyo na-emotional na naman ako dito kasi ang hirap talaga tingnan ng bagay na itong part na ito. Anyway, ayan, tapos na yung dance ng mother and son. Talaga namang para sa magulang talaga, napakahirap naman talagang i-let go yung mga anak natin. Imagine, for how many years na we took care of them, tapos magkakaroon na sila ng sariling buhay. So sa mga anak, for those who's watching right now, sa mga kids, you should understand your parent. Parent is always there for you. Hindi yun madali para sa amin na yung anak namin ay may sarili ng buhay. But anyway, takes time. It like a process. Kaya maraming hindi pa rin nakakapag-adjust sa mga ganitong situation. Anyway, may konti naman tayong naging dancing, although we don't have enough time dahil hanggang 3 o'clock lang actually itong reservation nila. So, anyway, nag-continue naman kami after this. Dumiretso kami sa sister-in-law kong bahay. So, doon kami continue ng party. At least nagkaroon pa rin kami ng konting salo-salo doon, sayaw-sayaw, karaoke. So anyway, yan sila nag-enjoy. Alam nyo naman ako pagka time to dance na, talagang game na game ako dyan. And I'm so happy, I'm so glad that my sister-in-law is kind of the same na, you know, mahilig din siyang mag-good time. And of course, yung mga ibang bata rin, yung mga part of the entourage, yan, nag-enjoy din sila sa music nila na, you know, nakakatawa. And then, may part din ng mga line dancing na they can, you know, everybody can follow. So, nag-have fun naman kahit papano. So, it was a very successful a party again, especially for the brides and groom. Kaya congratulations Christian and Christina, you did well. I love your wedding. Very very nice place. I love the place. Talagang it's for kids ng generation at this time. This is the kind of place that they want. Anyway, look at them. They are having fun. Nag-enjoy lahat ng bisita nila kahit papano. Look at them. They, you know, ang music talaga is yan ang nagbubuhay ng party. Talagang pag walang music, talagang I think it's boring. Kaya good thing. Maganda naman yung kanilang program. I really, you know, like it. Appreciate all the, you know, the place, the food is good and very decent naman, very it's a fine dining, so it's good. So anyway, this is Cha-Cha slide, kaya the people are like, you know, of course they know this music, so I don't think, you know, it's very easy to follow this dance, line dancing. So anyway, nag-enjoy lahat, so like I said. So after this, we're going straight to my sister-in-law's house to continue the party. Kaya from 10 o'clock till 12 o'clock in the evening, continuous yung party namin. That's why wait for my next video kasi I wanna show the whole time na, you know, ang special day na ito. So we stay until midnight, so stay tuned, wait for my next video kasi yung continuation, like I said, ng party is until end of that day. Okay, so like again, I would like to say thank you to all my subscriber and for all those people that they haven't subscribed, please do it and like and share and hit the notification so you're always updated to my video, to my stay with my, you know, until end of the video, please. This is the cameraman and this is their cameraman, and then yan yung mga cousins ng anak ko. So till next again, wait for, like I said, my next video. Marami pa akong i-share sa inyo sa journey ko dito sa Utah. So stay tuned and have a great day and please take care everyone. By the way, this is yung bouquet. Tinagis na ng brides yung bouquet. So Romer is the lucky one. So maybe she's the next one. Hopefully, I don't know if she's ready. Why not? But anyway, we're so happy that you know, everybody's enjoy. Okay, take care everyone, and hope to see you again. Please stay tuned to my next video. That's